Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
We have Lisa here. We just finished doing a video with Lisa, but this was the perfect time for us to say, we invite all of you to come to WellNow Camp, a camp for plant-based women warriors. And the reason I'm choosing to do it now is because last year we had Lisa and Tan. And Lisa, I know that
she was our star.
Well, everyone's a star, but you were. Will you tell us
Totally.
how was it to go?
I was like apprehensive about going because I'm not a camper, but then Jane and Ann were like, these are air-conditioned dorm rooms. So I'm like, okay, I think I can do that. And I ended up just making the best friend, the nicest.
Did you go with somebody?
No, I came alone, and I met people, and we hiked, and we ate like bountiful amounts of food that we didn't have to cook ourselves.
And we put you guys in groups. We have groups that we do arts and crafts, and we have a writing workshop, and we have a how to improvise class. Not improv, how to improvise. And we do, Ann and I we do cooking demos, of course.
Those are the best.
But Lisa did her better board. We're going to fly in her better board here last year at camp, and it was awesome.
And wait until you hear our plans for a better board this camp here.
If you just saw this video, we're thinking we need to have a breakfast board, but for dessert. We don't quite know how we're going to land this helicopter, but this Lisa, this amazing yumminess, and you as a camper, please come. It's June 6th to 9th this summer, 2024, on the Kenyon College campus in Gambier, Ohio. And if you want any information about how to sign up or read more about it, please go to janeesselstyn.com. We'll have a link here in the description, and we hope to see you there.
Come join us, we'll have fun.
And it's so, not only so much fun, but it is so delicious.
Yeah, oh my gosh, this should be part of the talent show. Edible talent show. Maybe that's what we'll do. All right, see you soon.
See you there.
Bye-bye.